Hello guys, welcome to FonesGo channel. Recently, we bought a used Samsung device from FB Marketplace. It's a Galaxy S24 running Android 14. It was delivered yesterday. We reset it to default settings and found that it was locked by Google Factory Reset Protection. Good news is that FonesGo Android Unlocker released a new version to support bypassing FRP lock on Samsung Android 14. Let's see how it works. Once installed, run the FRP bypass tool and click Bypass Samsung FRP on the main interface. Click Start in the next screen. Now, connect the Samsung device to the computer using a USB cable. You can see there are several solutions to bypass Samsung FRP. Our Galaxy S24 is a USA model, so choose the second solution here. Then click Next to move on. The FRP bypass tool will start the removal process instantly. It will cost 1 to 2 minutes. During the removal process, the device may restart several times. It's normal, so please calm down. At the end of the removal process, you will need to allow access to your phone data. Then return to the computer and click OK. Now, you are only one step away from success. Follow the instructions to put your Samsung device into recovery mode and wipe data from it. The Google FRP lock will be removed after you reboot the device. That's all for this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to FonesGo channel to get more helpful tips like this.